Let's make some super cute birdhouses. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So I see all these little bird houses all on the internet, so I figured let me try my hand at it. So I got these little bird houses at Dollar Tree, and I paint them all with a chalk paint. The color is Java. Let it dry. Then I cover them with some school glue. Do as much or as little as you want. The more heavy the glue is, the bigger the crackle is going to be. So I put all of that on there, and then I use my brush and just brush. You know, I'm just evening out all of the glue. Ta-da! Easy peasy. Any kind of glue is fine. You could use Mod Podge too, but school glue is super cheap, so I figured I'd try that and go over each of them. Again, I have 2 of them, so I do this for both. And again, the more heavy-handed you are with the glue, the bigger the crack you're going to get. So then we let it dry. I'm forcing it to dry with my embossing gun, but you don't have to do that. You could just walk away, go get a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, and come back to it. Now I'm using some Dixie Belle paint. The color is Drop Cloth. Got this from Paula with Inspired Creations. Thank you, Paula. And I'm just covering each of the, what are they called? Birdhouses. Words are hard. And then once I cover them, I use my heat gun again, and we're going to get the crackle method, and that's what we did there. Then once that was really dried, I then went and sanded it because I really like the distressed vibe. So I went a little bit crazy pants with distressing, but that was my choice. I did it on purpose. It wasn't a mistake. And I even did the little, the little thing that the little birdies would sit on. I did all of it. I love it. But if you're not into the distress vibe, then just paint it normal. Just paint it. However, you could even paint it all different colors. Oh, that would be adorable. But see, I went all in with the distressing. That's fine. If you're curious, I got these sanding pad holder things from Walmart. I don't remember what they're called though. So then I decided to get these little stickers. Look at these little wood stickers I got from Dollar Tree. Are they not cute? And it's sticky on the back. So I took the little birdie out and I put it on one of the little birdhouses. I did go back and put some hot glue on it just because I felt like it wasn't gonna stay. Then I have these candle stick holders from Dollar Tree, and I added some glue, and then I'm putting in some Spanish moss. I used a finger protector because I always hurt myself doing that. And then I put a lot. Now I glopped the glue on the bottom of the birdhouse because it's got to go through the Spanish moss and it's got to get to the candle holder. So that's what I did. And I just pressed it together, and I actually held it there for a hot minute just to make sure that it really adhered. Then I added some more Spanish moss around the edge of each of the birdhouses. Again, I did this for both of them. I love Spanish moss. If you're not into Spanish moss, you can skip that part. I also had some cute little faux flowers that I had in my stash that I put on the side. And again, I'm just using hot glue. Look at these little blue ones. Oh, they're so cute. And I put a little blue one on the other side. Stop it. Like, quit it. Look at how cute that is. And then I did the same thing with the other one. As mentioned, you just want to make sure you put enough glue so that it makes contact. If you can use E6000, do it, but quit it. Look at how cute these are. Are you kidding me? I love them. Whew. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.